First award honors the new kid on the block, the NBA Rookie of the Year, Michael Jordan.
On behalf of Miller Brewing Association, I'm very happy to receive the award, although
'tis the season to be early. Fire, 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 for fire, fire, fire. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fam. Is it just me? Or does it seem like the lows are jumping over the highs? Let's talk about 2025. YouTube fam, what's good? What's going on? Your boy Jay is here, back with another vid, man. We back early with it. Your boy Jay has an early review or early look. You know, I don't do reviews when I first show them early, but I'm gonna show y'all this shoe and we can do an overview. We can call it that, man. This shoe is set to be releasing in January. I say January with, of course, quotations because it doesn't really have a set official release date. I'm hearing spring, I'm hearing January. So we're gonna stick with January. I wanna say, if anybody wants to argue with that, talk about or argue with Sneaker News, because they're the ones who gave me the info. January 4th is the release date on this shoe, man. We're gonna get into it here in a second, and it isn't the first time we've seen this shoe, so we're gonna talk about all that. Before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Stick around. I got some heat, some bangers dropping. I'm telling y'all, do not miss any videos this week, man. A lot of y'all missed out on the video from yesterday. I'm gonna let that slide. I mean, y'all might don't want to know about what's happening this week, but if you do want to get in touch with everything going on this week, watch my video from yesterday, y'all. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss out. But big week, got a lot going on. I'm supposed to be doing a lot of on feats and stuff this week, but I don't know, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it, man. It's so much going on, y'all. But first looks, just news, vlogs, all that stuff is coming this week, man. So trust me, you're gonna want to lock in, man. If you hit the subscribe button, if you are new, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know that you are new so I can welcome you into the fam the right way with a personalized comment, man. So salute, man. Double salute to the OGs. And yes, sir, man. Let's talk about what January possibly January has to bring, of course, to the sneaker community, y'all. A little aggressive on the throw, my G, but we got him. Bang! You see what's going on, y'all. So first things first, y'all. The box is kind of ugly. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, Jordan Brand, y'all tried too hard with this one. Y'all could have did, I get it though, I get it. But we could have did an all black box. An all black with the red hits. Ooh, what if that's what the bread reimagined ones look like? That would be cold. The high 85s. If it's an all black box with the red Nike. Say that for the bread reimagined. Surprise me, Nike and Jordan Brand. But we do have right here, y'all. We got like a tan brown. You know what I'm saying? We got an all over tan brown with the red or kind of maroonish dark red Nike. Of course, hits all throughout the shoe. This is a size mine, but I don't only have mines in these, y'all. I have an 8 through 13, man. Hit your boy up. Shout out to everybody who already grabbed them, because I've had these way before this video. So shout out to everybody who already got their pairs in hand. Yes, I'm finally getting to this pair now, but I do have right here the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Color blocking is Sail Black Golden Harvest, y'all. I think that colorway might be different from, of course, the OG pair of these, but we'll compare those two here in a second. But where's my manners? I didn't tell y'all where you can get them, y'all. JTSG Closet. If you already over there, you already see what's going on. But I do have them available over at JTSG Closet on Instagram. For those in the back who don't have social media, I have these 8 through 13. I'll try to keep updating y'all, because y'all be like, Jay, how do I know what you got? Because I don't got the social medias, and this one is letting y'all know, y'all. 8 through 13, send me an email. It's down below in the description. But JTSG Closet is the quickest way to get to me, and these are going fast, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, they going fast. Black Hat 3s, I'm almost sold out, but those are going fast as well. But I do have Black Hat 3s. I do have these over at JTSG Closet. Tap in. But popping off the box lid on these, y'all, it is plain on the box lid, y'all. One thing I noticed real quick from opening up the lid, the lock number is on the inside of this pair right here, y'all. So take a look right there in that corner. right there in that corner, you do got the lot number right up there. And that is where the lot number is placed on this shoe. But inside, we do got the white paper. Is there any white and green stickers? No white and green stickers. But yeah, we do have the 2025 set to be releasing on January 4th. Sneaker news. Retail is $140 on these, but we do got the Jordan 1 Low Rookie of the Years. Bang! Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Them things is back, y'all. And they keep doing their thing, y'all. When it comes to these lows, y'all, like I said, I'm going to pull out the highs in this video. I got to show you guys how close in similarities the lows and the highs is, y'all. But the last two lows that they've released, y'all, they are spot on to the high top versions, y'all. And this is nothing different, y'all. These look exactly like the highs down to the materials, y'all. They did their thing with these, man. But perfect time for these. Fall time is here, and the Rookie of the Years is about to be here, y'all. But you know they here already for the JTSG family, right? Bang! So here we have them, y'all. The Jordan 1 Low Rookie of the Years, man. Comment down below. What is your first thoughts on these, y'all? So first things first, look at that side panel, y'all. We get that nice premium tumbled leather. Same thing that we did have on the original pair, y'all. So they did not cut it short when it comes to that. Of course, the same brown. I'm gonna have to get the OG pair and compare them as far as the tint, because I do know on a recent pair, the Jordan 1s that did release where they had a high top, they did kind of lack in the color. They changed the color up slightly, but just from me looking right here in front of this, y'all, it looked like the color is pretty much accurate to that of the highs. But if you guys missed out on the highs, y'all, this is a pair right here that you can definitely substitute it with, because you're not missing anything on this shoe except for the height, y'all. You know, of course, that cut off on the back. But this is a clean pair of Jordan 1 lows, man. And I'm a fan of it, y'all. You do have, of course, the Nike Air in the red on the tongue tag right there. And black outsole on these. I'm a fan of them, y'all. Same thing on the toe box with the tumbled leather. So, you know, hey, we got Rookie of the Years, y'all. So these are the lows, y'all. It all started, of course, with the highs. We got them a few years back. And let's go ahead and bring those into the equation and see what they looking like. Bang! So here we have them, y'all. The highs, which I don't think these came with these laces. I actually lace swapped these, man. So this is a lace swap. They did not come with, of course, the sale laces. But take a look right there, man. Take a look. What are we doing, y'all? We got highs and we got lows. My question, y'all, I need y'all to go crazy in the comment section. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay, but let me know down below in the comment section, have the Jordan 1 highs lost their, of course, traction and been jumped over by the lows, man? Y'all let me know, y'all. Are the lows the new wave and the highs are a thing of the past? Because I remember we went through a phase where lows wasn't it, y'all. Lows was not it. Let's just keep it a buck, y'all. We had that phase where y'all wasn't feeling the lows. Are the highs now that new shoe that people are like, I'm good on it, you know, I need them lows though, man? Y'all comment and let me know down below in the comment section. But take a look at the side panels. You see that nice quality of leather. Like I said, man, they did not cut it short on any of the leather quality. It looks like they pretty much had leftover Rookie of the Year highs and they just cut the top off them, y'all. It is pretty much spot on, man. Take a look at the colors. Take a look at the colors, you know. I would argue, you know, you would say that one is darker, lighter, but it looks like even the shoe that's in the middle, it looks like it's a different color from the shoe that's right next to it, and they're both from the same pair, you know what I'm saying? So I would argue as far as the materials on the new buck, whether it'll be a lighter or darker color, it just might depend on the pair. But everything, y'all, we do got the rubber though. We got the rubber on the tongue on these with, of course, the black tab and the red writing, and on these you got the regular nylon instead of that rubber hit. But they are pretty much, y'all, they are pretty much spot on, man. Let me go ahead and show y'all that spot on look. Compare them right next to each other like so. Take a look at that, man. Take a look at the shoe. It does look like it's a little more golden. It looks a little more golden on the low from just this aspect. So it's a possibility, y'all. They might have changed the shade of the color, or it might just be the lighting. I don't know, because you know, just depending on how I hold it, it look like it's the same type of tan look to it, you know. But like I said, it just depends on the lighting. But take a look at both the pairs right there, y'all. Like, they are pretty much spot on. The lows and the highs, I'm not mad at it, y'all. You look at the toe boxes, it looks like we got the same shoe right there, man. It looks like we got one pair, of course, you know what I'm saying? So, no extra laces though, man. They didn't give us any extra laces with these. I want to say, y'all, these came with some red laces. If I'm not mistaken, I think the Rookie of the Year OGs came with red laces. I have to double check and fact check myself on that. But I do think they came with the red laces, and these come with none, but that ain't no problem. Y'all know we gonna find them. Y'all know we gonna swap them, man. But yeah, man, these lows, beautiful, man. I'm actually gonna throw these on feet early, y'all. This is a shoe that I might rock this weekend. No cap. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, if you want to see an early look, an early fit pick with them, you know, follow me on Instagram. I might throw these on this weekend. Definitely. But I'm a fan of it, y'all. It got some Widow's Peaks, but Jordan 1 lows normally have Widow's Peaks, but it does have one right there on the bottom of the Wings logo. And you don't have anything here on the front, but they just clean, bro. They smooth, y'all. And like I said, man, a lot of y'all have been hitting me up. A lot of y'all been getting pairs, man. So salute to all y'all who have been copping the Rookie of the Year lows from me. I'm getting low on them, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting low on the lows. So first come, first serve. Whoever want them, I got some left over there. I still have maybe like one size run of an 8 through 13. Just hit me up. But clean, man. I'm a fan of it. These are supposed to be released and supposed to be on January 4th. Y'all let me know. Is it a cop or is it a pass? This is a size mine, but you know, let's check the consistency real quick, just for viewing sake, y'all. Let's see another pair real quick. Bang! I do have right here a good old size. You see it, man. 12, man. Size 12, man. So I got a size 12 here. I just want to see what it looks like paired up to my pair and see if there's any differences, any inconsistencies or anything in the pairs. I haven't, since I've been, you know, working with them and looking at them and stuff, y'all. I haven't seen any inconsistencies, but let me show y'all this on camera and show y'all how, you know, they matching up, they looking the same. And boy, it got that strong Jordan 1 smell to these, y'all. Like, it smells strong. That Jordan 1 smell is smelling on these. But take a look right there, y'all. We got, of course, a size 12 here, and we got a size 9. They both practically look the same. Take a look at the toe boxes. Both have the nice tumbled leather on it. Side panels on the size 12. Whoo! Crispy. Like, they are very consistent, man, with the quality on these Jordan 1s, y'all. And I'm not seeing any glue stains or anything, y'all. So they did their thing with these lows, man. I think that this is a dope pair that they brought into a low top that they originally made in a high. And I'm here for it, man. But y'all comment down below, y'all. Are the lows the new wave? And are you a fan of the Rookie of the Years, y'all? With that being said, y'all, are these a cop or a pass in 2025? Y'all let me know. Rookie of the Year joints. I do have another shoe, y'all, that I know will sell out. I'm not gonna say that. Let me not say that. It's crazy. Black Cement 3s are sitting, so I'm not gonna say I know that they're gonna sell out. They should sell out. I have another shoe from 2025. I want to say it's releasing during the All-Star Week, y'all. So it's one of them type of shoes, man. I do have it. I don't think anybody has done a review yet on it on YouTube. If y'all want to see that, man, run it up 1,000 likes by tomorrow. By the time I get ready to shoot my video, I will drop that video for y'all. Or I might just do it right now and just press the button on it if y'all get 1,000 likes by tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So run up the likes, man, if y'all want to see that early look. And like I said, it's a banger. But Rookie of the Years, man, I'm a fan of them. They clean. I didn't mention, but it does have the two-tone motion on here, y'all. I mean, just nice nubuck on here, y'all, just like the highs, man. But this right here, fire pair, not mad at them. Keep doing what y'all doing, Jordan. It's looking good for 2025. Whether people sleep on the brand or not, I'm still copping them because I like what they're doing with the shoes, y'all. But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out. Y'all stay blessed. Give it a thumbs up. I will see y'all back tomorrow. Mo bangers on the way, and I will be going live at some point in time this week. I don't know what day, but I will update y'all on that. But I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. I'm up out of here, man.